Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see pure handloom Kanchipuram borderless soft silk sarees. All these sarees are double warp sarees. We have 25 plus sarees in this video, so please do watch this video fully for all those color combination and patterns. Please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collection. Also, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notification whenever we upload a video. We are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees. We are uploading fresh collections daily in our YouTube channel. Now let's see each sarees in this video. This is the first saree, a beautiful peacock blue with a navy blue combination. The pallu and blouse comes in a navy blue. All over the saree, a beautifully woven puttas in both silver and gold zari alternatively. You will be getting both silver and gold zari puttas woven alternatively. These puttas comes all over the saree. Till end of the saree, you will be getting all these puttas. And next saree is a beautiful golden with maroon combination. All these sarees are different design and a pattern. So please don't skip the video. Please do watch this video fully for all those patterns and a beautiful color combinations. The next saree is a beige with a blue combination. The pallu and blouse comes in a beautiful beige and all over the saree a navy blue combination. So all these sarees are double warp sarees and it is a borderless type. So if you wanna book any of these sarees, please do take screenshot and share us with the WhatsApp for booking. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. I'll add a link below in the description box as well. You can click on the link and share those screenshots for booking. A beautiful teal blue with a navy blue combination. All these are beautiful puttas and awesome color combinations. So you can visit us directly as well for more collections. For those shop owners and wholesalers, if you are watching this video, please do call and visit us directly for any bulk orders. We are encouraging resellers as well, so you can contact us for the reseller group joining. So all these sarees comes with a Silkmark certified tag. We have a central government Silkmark certified tag for all of these sarees. So once you book the saree, you will get the saree in hand with the Silkmark certified tag. You can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it. Please do book your favorite saree if you want to book. All are different design, all are unique patterns. So please do watch this video fully for all those color combinations. Please don't skip this video and WhatsApp us for booking.